Introducing the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. With GM certified, you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 3-day satisfaction guarantee. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.